Imagine you're sending money to a loved one in another country. You want to ensure it arrives safely, quickly, and at a reasonable cost. That's where Paysend comes in. But is Paysend really trustworthy? Can you rely on them to send your money securely? In this video, we'll delve into Paysend, exploring its history, features, security measures, and real user experiences. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Paysend is a reliable option for your international money transfers. Paysend, a brief history. Let's start by understanding a bit about Paysend. It's a global money transfer service that has been operating since year. Their mission is to make international money transfers simple, fast, and affordable. One of the key factors contributing to Paysend's popularity is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate the platform and complete your transfers. Paysend's features. Now, let's explore some of the specific features that Paysend offers. Fast transfers. Paysend prides itself on its speed. Many transfers are completed within minutes, making it a convenient option for urgent needs. Low fees. Compared to traditional banks, Paysend often offers competitive exchange rates and lower fees, saving you money on your transfers. Wide network. Paysend has a vast network of partners, allowing you to send money to a wide range of countries. Multiple payment methods. You can fund your transfers using various methods, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and even cash deposits. Security and trustworthiness. When it comes to sending money online, security is paramount. Paysend employs several measures to protect your funds and personal information. Encryption. Paysend uses advanced encryption technology to safeguard your data during transmission. Compliance. They adhere to strict international regulations, ensuring compliance with financial standards. Customer support. If you encounter any issues, Paysend's customer support team is available to assist you. Real user experiences. The best way to gauge a service's reliability is to hear from those who have used it. Let's take a look at some real user reviews and testimonials about Paysend. Positive reviews. Many users praise Paysend for its speed, affordability, and excellent customer service. They report having had positive experiences with their transfers. Negative reviews. While most reviews are positive, there are a few instances of users facing delays or technical difficulties. However, it's important to note that these are isolated cases. Is Paysend right for you? Ultimately, whether Paysend is the right choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a fast, affordable, and secure way to send money internationally, Paysend is definitely worth considering. So, can you trust Paysend? Based on its history, features, security measures, and positive user experiences, the answer is generally yes. Paysend has proven to be a reliable and convenient option for international money transfers. However, it's always a good idea to do your own research and compare Paysend with other services to find the best fit for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.